After Medtronic released and open sourced all of their designs, work instructions, and processes on how to manufacture ventilators to support the global crisis in the shortage of ventilators, we thought it was a perfect opportunity to develop an application bundle within Tulip to support this effort. So, as you can see here, the bundle consists of a series of procedures, work instructions, uh, tests, and calibrations, and final tests and packing procedures. So I briefly want to walk you through some of these procedures, just so you can see what the applications look like in Tulip and how interactive they can be, and especially how useful they can be for folks that haven't been manufacturing ventilators for decades and need to get spun up very quickly on supporting this effort. So here, for example, if we go into assembly procedure 1, you can see it takes us to this step here that allows us to start tracking information on the serial number for that specific ventilator. So right now, if we click start, it actually doesn't let us continue because we haven't scanned a serial number. So we can go in here, add a serial number. If you have a barcode scanner attached to your computer, you can also do it that way. Click confirm and press begin. So you can see here it just created this new entry in our table. So as we go ahead and we pass all the quality checks within our application, we can track information directly in this table. So here you can see we've been building out these work instructions that are interactive, have a series of checks, and actually only let you continue if you assemble the ventilator to the specifications that Medtronic has specified. Great. Furthermore, we can also have functionality to interact with other aspects of the assembly line. So, for example, here this call for help button, help needed. I can just type a message. I can take photographs, click submit, and then boom, you can see here it sends an SMS. And now I just received the SMS, so the supervisor can be easily notified saying, okay, somebody at a specific station needs help, please go and help out. So furthermore, if we go back to the home of the application bundle, the system final test is basically a set of checks that have to be done daily or at a specified rate. Here just basic information. The great thing is, as we go ahead and we record information, it's all being recorded in the app completions, so we have full traceability and visibility on what was actually recorded. So here we have all of our completions with the recorded information. Next, we can actually also embed simple logic to make sure that the test meets the criteria. So here, for example, you can see, okay, it has to be between 100 and 120 psi. So if I put in 115, click next, it passed, good, it takes me to the next step. Here it has to be between 1.5 and 2 bar, as you can see here. Click here, I'm actually, if I put it outside of spec, I just put 1, click next, it actually takes me to this step here saying, oh look, it was out of spec. Why is it out of spec? And it asks the supervisor to come here and identify the root cause of the problem and plan out a mitigation strategy. So yeah, just that was the brief overview of the application bundle that's been developed for Medtronic. Thanks for listening.